Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a brand new 2025 Toyota 4Runner and we've installed two 11.5-inch light bars. I want to show you exactly how much light you get with this product. So these are the factory low beams. Notice that you can't see anything in the distance at all. The trees are not lit up. The fence in the back is not visible. These are the factory high beams. So you can see a little bit of the fence in the back, and these are the 11.5-inch light bars. So it makes a huge difference. It adds a ton of light to your setup, and you guys are gonna absolutely love it. The slim light bars are a combo beam pattern, meaning that you actually get depth as well as wide angle for peripherals. Notice that the tree in the front, even with the high beams, it's not lit up, but when you turn on the 11.5-inch light bars, it throws a lot of light that way. Thank you guys very much. You guys are gonna love it, and please tune in to see our step-by-step installation video.